What could be better than a bonus video? I don't know. I'd already done this week. Have it already set up, have already done the introductory video for this week. And I was thinking about the essay and what to expect and how to help you out as you're writing it. This led me to do the initial little video that I included in the announcements the other day. But I thought, gosh, there are so many other things that I want to make sure to avoid and to help enable you to succeed in these essays. And so I'm doing this as well. I put together this entire list this morning. I'm not going to do the entire list over this video, but I do want to talk about the list just a little bit because I do recognize that I have a bit of a contradiction, a little bit of a paradox working. I want to be able to enable you as writers to really liberate and untether yourself from very rote formats in how you discuss or explore a topic or a primary source. And that's one of the reasons I look at like a 5 paragraph paper is like such a bane of my existence. It's so perfunctory, so basic, so mid. And I feel like, well, I don't have a lot of prescriptive ideas on what I want to see on these papers. But then I realize, well, if you misuse MLA citation format, if you throw in APA, for example, I'm not going to grade it. Well, that's pretty prescriptive. So I started thinking about the different comments that I generally leave on a lot of the very first essays in a class and thought, well, I'll put together a list, which is what this is. And so this kind of gives you the guidelines or the expectations. And these are generally things that I feel like students should know when they come out of a basic college composition class. When you come into an advanced college composition class, you should already have these things under your belt. You should understand them. They should be very basic. But I know from my own personal history as a student, sometimes I needed some very direct instruction. Tell it to me explicitly. Let me know what your expectations are. And so that's what this is. This is a list of expectations and thoughts that I have regarding the essay. Again, most of these are things that I believe that students should come out of from their basic college composition class and have already understanding of. All right. If you have questions about it, we have this entire week to do this essay. So we still have time to ensure that we're not falling into any of these traps. But I do want you to make sure that you look at this, understand it, and if you have questions, reach out to me via email and we can discuss. All right, let's have a fantastic week. You're welcome for the bonus video, by the way. Thank you.